my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia and today we're going to be making tahini cookies. But before we go ahead with that, I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. You've helped me reach 5,000 subscribers. And if you're on YouTube, you will know that this is a fantastic and phenomenal milestone to reach. And it's only because of you that I've reached this milestone so quickly. And make sure you subscribe because in my next vlog, I'm going to be answering all your questions and letting you know how I started my food journey. Now, what is tahini? Tahini is a Middle Eastern paste that is made with sesame seeds, and it's most commonly used in shawarmas, lots of street food. But today, I'm going to be using this to bake cookies. Sesame seeds are a good source of protein and healthy fats, and they also increase your metabolism, thus aiding in weight loss. Just not in today's recipe. So let's get started on this quick tahini cookies recipe. Let's start by adding in our dry ingredients, and first I'm going to add in 10 ml of baking powder. Then I'm going to add in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, in here I've got 4 tablespoons of icing sugar, and then just mix this until all the ingredients are properly incorporated. Then I'm going to add in 10 ml of vanilla essence. In here I've got 1/2 cup of cooking oil, and I'm using sunflower cooking oil. Then I'm going to add in my tahini paste, and I'm going to be using 100 ml of tahini paste. Now mix all these ingredients together. Lastly, I'm going to add in 1 cup of chopped walnuts. And then mix this until you get a lovely soft dough. If you feel that the dough is still quite dry, add in a little more tahini paste and make a soft workable dough. And this is the consistency of the dough that you need to achieve. Taking an oven tray, lightly grease the tray, or you could use baking paper. Taking about a palm-sized portion of the dough, roll this into a ball. Continue doing this until your entire baking tray is filled with the biscuits, and place this in a preheated oven 150 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes, and keep watching it just in case it starts to burn at the bottom. And out of the oven, these are what they would look like. I got a bit excited and I tried to pick one of them up, but it all crumbled. Rule number 1 in baking: always allow your bakes to cool before touching them. To get the rest of the family to eat this, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of chocolate over this. And my tahini cookies are ready to be served with tea. I would love to invite all 5,000 subscribers of mine to join me for tea, but maybe soon. All the best, and if you do try making this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until the next vlog, happy baking!